This is it right here. Oh my God. I'm finding some good stuff in this video. I'm about to be alright. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting and fun video for you guys, and in today's video it's gonna be a mukbang, but it's gonna be a strange mukbang. We are gonna try weird food combinations. Now some of these I don't feel is that weird, but some of them are bizarre. Like, I'm not excited for them at all, but we're gonna try it for you guys. Well, I'm gonna try it for you guys, and I have 10 weird food combinations. So if you guys want to see me try these things, then please stay tuned. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and let's get right into the video. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm really like scared because I haven't had dinner yet, and I feel like this is gonna spoil my dinner. Like, I'm just probably not gonna want to eat food for, no, I'm just kidding. But anyway, because I just did my thumbnail and I already have it prepared, the first one I'm gonna try is pickles and peanut butter. I love pickles. I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter, and them together just sound really crazy, and I actually have it prepared, as I said, because I just did my thumbnail. This is it right here. And it smells disgusting. I can't take the smell of it. I don't know if I should take off some of this peanut butter or just like, I'm gonna smooth it out. Ugh, I don't like peanut butter. Like, I can eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and I can eat, like, you know, Reese's Pieces every now and then. But for the most part, I'm really not a huge peanut butter fan. Like, it's just too dry-ish for me. Like, I don't know. Also, if you guys have tried any of these food combinations and they're like, these are your jam, like you love these things, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm gonna judge you and think you're weird. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to do this. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, this is tough. Okay. I didn't think I wasn't gonna be able to get myself to do it. Oh, the camera is trying to focus on Ari over there. Let me not try to distract myself. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3 it. Oh my God. No, that's enough of that. I'm not even gonna take a second bite. I'm good. Okay, so I get it, right? Like, it's like really dry peanut butter and then like a juicy pickle, yeah. And I can get how somebody could like that. Like, maybe if I was a fan of peanut butter, maybe I'll like it a little bit more. But no, that's just not my cup of tea at all. But the next one I'm gonna try is with vanilla ice cream. So here's my ice cream and olive oil. So I'm gonna prepare this really quickly. So I have my big jug of olive oil right here. I'm gonna take a scoop of the ice cream in this bowl. Because I'm not about to ruin this whole tub of ice cream for like this video. Like, I love ice cream. I'm gonna take like this much ice cream. So I got these weird food hacks from online. Like, I just read some articles and I just searched for some weird food hacks, or I mean, not weird food hacks, weird food combinations. So that's where I got it from. So it's from online. I've never seen this olive oil and ice cream one, but whatever, we're about to try it. I know they said if you wanted to go an extra mile, you can put olive oil and then put sea salt. I'm not going an extra mile. I'm just gonna put like a drizzle. Oh God. I got scared. I'm gonna put it in the top first. Oh, that's a lot. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna put like, bruh, I don't even know where these people come from. I don't think, do I have, like, I tried to think of any weird food combinations that I like that somebody else might not like, and I couldn't think of anything. I think everything I eat is pretty normal. All right, anyway, this is how it looks in there. I hope you can see that. I don't want to tilt it too much or it's gonna spill out, but all right, I'm gonna get a good scoop where there's a lot of olive oil. Ooh, it's like melting so fast. Okay, calm down. All right, ready? I'm gonna go for it. Wait, hold on. That's not bad. That is not bad. I know that sounds crazy, but I like this one. Oh my God, I probably can never eat vanilla ice cream normal again. I feel like the oil actually, like, the oil adds more to the ice cream. You know what I'm saying? Like, you would, wow. Okay, I'm about to eat this whole thing. No, I'm not. Yes, I probably am. Y'all, I recommend that one. That gets a 10 from me. Literally a 10. Okay. Which one should I try next? Now I'm a little excited. Okay, I'm gonna try peanut butter and jelly sandwich with salt and vinegar chips in the middle. Now, I love both of those things separately. I like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I love a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I always just add more jelly. And salt and vinegar chips are probably like my favorite chips ever. I love salt and vinegar chips. Like, oh, but together, I mean, I could see myself eating it like eating salt and vinegar chips on the side maybe, but in the middle of it, I don't know. I have some bread here. Honestly, this is not the bread I would prefer. I probably would just eat it on white bread, but I didn't have white bread, so. Oh, this is actually French sourdough, but this is what we're using. So I'm gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm just gonna make a regular peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You know what I'm saying? We have the Jif over here. This is the same peanut butter that I use for the peanut butter and pickles, by the way, but I did not dip the pickle in here, so my peanut butter is not ruined. This is honestly like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich is the best late night snack. Ooh, jelly. I love jelly. Like, This is my peanut butter and jelly. Here it is, my 2 slices. Now we're going for the chips. Yay. Oh, here it is. I'm using Wise. I love this brand. I love this brand of salt and vinegar chips. I truly have to treat myself to a couple of. This almost feels like I'm sinning or something. Like, doesn't feel right, but whatever. I'm gonna just put it on my jelly slice. This better tastes good, because please don't ruin salt and vinegar chips for me. I typically put these in my like sandwiches. Like in New York, we have delis, bodegas. So if I get a sandwich from the bodega, I usually put these chips in the middle of it. This is what I did. And now I'm gonna put my peanut butter slice on it. I'm gonna smush it down a little bit. I might have to take 2 bites to truly get the taste, but I see what you did there. It's a little too dry, but I think with the white bread it'll taste a lot better. I kind of liked it. Also, I don't eat edges. I'm trying to be all cute because I'm doing it for YouTube, but I don't like the edges, honestly. Ugh, how old am I? Okay, that's the only like weird thing that I do. Now this is gonna be the real bite here. Y'all, that's not bad at all. I'm finding some good stuff in this video. I'm about to be alright. Got a lot more to go. So I'm gonna just put this off to the side actually. Now I'm gonna try, honestly I'm just gonna get this one out the way. Because yeah, this looks weird as hell and I'm not excited for it. I'm actually a little bit annoyed that this is a thing, but chocolate chip cookies dipped in ranch. So here you go. I have Chips Ahoy and I have my ranch dressing. I love ranch dressing. I'm not too crazy about Chips Ahoy, but I love chocolate chip cookies, but Chips Ahoy just doesn't do it for me because it's not like soft and like, you know, and even the chewy ones, like the chewy ones to me have like a weird taste. I would eat Chips Ahoy though, I would eat it, but it's not like my favorite chocolate chip cookie. Honestly, when I read this, I was like, how could you ruin a chocolate chip cookie like that? So I'm just gonna take my chocolate chip cookie and I'm gonna take some ranch. And I'm literally, oh my god, this does not feel right. It does not feel right. Okay, look, just look. It might make you cringe because it's making me, oh my god, I feel horrible. Oh my god, I'm gonna just pretend it's icing. Like that looks like icing. Like it could be icing on a chocolate chip cookie. I'm getting hot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No. The ranch is like too sour for the chocolate chip cookie for me. Again, just like the pickle, I can kind of see how somebody could like it. I'm thinking about the chocolate chip cookie in my head and I'm thinking like, man, I just want to eat the chocolate chip cookie by itself. So that's a no for me. So since we're on the talks of ranch, we're just gonna get the other ranch one out the way as well. Oh yeah, we have some mac and cheese over here. I don't like this mac and cheese, but I was not about to make a whole thing of mac and cheese just for this video. But anyway, okay. So the next one is going to be orange slice, an orange slice or orange slices dipped in ranch. I have some orange slices over here and we're about to try it. All right, so I'm gonna just, since you guys, I want you guys to be able to see it, so I'm gonna just pour some ranch right here. Why are people like this? Then I'm gonna take an orange slice. This one is already peeled here, so I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna make sure it's dipped, like really dipped. I'm not gonna be like all trying not to dip it, even though I really don't want to dip it, but this is what it looks like. Also, please don't pay attention to my nails. I just took off my press-ons. Orange slice dipped in ranch. No. Why? I don't think ranch goes with anything other than salad, wings, or pizza. By the way, I saw pizza and ranch under like the weird combinations list, and that's one of the things that I just don't feel like that's weird. Like, I don't feel like that's weird. If you order pizza, it depends on where you order from. Like, you order Domino's or something like that, Pizza Hut, whatever, Papa John's. You order pizza, you order wings, and it comes with ranch or blue cheese. You dip, I usually use either the blue cheese or the ranch, and I dip it in there, and that's how I eat my pizza. I don't have to do that, but I do that a lot. But anyway, this is a no. Thank you very much. Never again. Okay, so this next one is mac and cheese with pickles in it. So we're gonna get a pickle out, and I'm gonna just cut up this pickle into like little slices. Cut up the pickles, and now I'm just putting it in there. If my table is a mess, disregard. I'm doing a crazy ass mukbang right now, so you're gonna get craziness all the way around, okay? Oh, that sounds, okay. Reminds me of Cardi B song. You guys know what I'm talking about. Sure, looks like you got the pickles in there. This doesn't look bad, honestly. I think I can get with this, but I don't know. Let's see. The taste might be something different. I like this. I like this. This is weird AF. Like, my mouth and everything knows that it's just weird. But the pickles add such a great crunch. I'm here. I'm here for it. I'm gonna get my brother to try this. I feel like he wouldn't like it though. I would not put pickles in my baked mac and cheese though. That is not a, that's a no-no. Just barbecue sauce, that's all. I feel like my stomach is gonna go crazy later. We're gonna keep it going before it does go crazy. The next combination is apple pie with a slice of cheddar cheese on top. So I have these little apple pies here. I don't really like apple pie. Actually, I really, like, I would not prefer it. I would eat it maybe if it's really good, but I don't prefer it. So I just got these little ones. Actually, it wasn't me. It was my boyfriend that actually is helping me with all this. But when I say I got it, just know I'm talking about him. And I have my cheese slices cut up here. I love this cheese. Like, I could eat this on a regular. My grandma used to give me this cheese with crackers a lot. This is so little. It's like, I'm gonna just bite into it. I just put the cheese on top of it like this, and I'm just gonna bite into it. I feel like it knocked out, it's so, honestly, this might not be the best apple pie to try it with. There's a lot of sugar around like the crust or whatever, but it knocked out the cheese flavor. Like, I tasted it, but I didn't really taste it. So I stuck some more cheese on there. I get it. This reminds me of, you guys know those Danish cakes? It actually, I don't know if it's by the same brand, if it's by Hostess or not, or Hostess, however you pronounce it. But they have Danish like cakes, and it's like cheesecake in the middle, or like a cheesy something in the middle. This is what this combination reminds me of. It's like, and I love that. So this is a go for me. I might have to try this with some real apple pie one day, like some cheddar cheese. I'm amazed by that one. It really tastes just like the cheese Danish. If I find a picture, I'm gonna pop it up somewhere. That's really good. So now I have two different rice combinations for you guys. I have my rice. So I have just plain white rice. So the next weird food combination, I really don't think this is weird, but it's white rice with ketchup. I've tried white rice with ketchup before. I'm not a fan of white rice with ketchup, but I like Spanish rice with ketchup. It's called moro. I don't really know how to translate that, but it's usually like rice mixed with something. So like rice with beans in it, rice with whatever they cook in the rice, and then with ketchup. I can put ketchup on my rice. I never liked it with white rice though. So yeah, although this is not new to me, I'm still gonna try it or eat it on camera for you guys. So here it is. I got my white rice. Now I have my ketchup. I love ketchup. I could almost put ketchup on everything. Boom. This is not even weird to me. This is real life. So this is what it looks like. White rice with ketchup. Ooh, I love ketchup. That's regular. That's not weird. If you guys never tried white rice with ketchup, I mean, rice with ketchup, definitely try it, especially if you have Spanish rice. Now this next one, we're going back to the peanut butter because somebody said white rice with peanut butter. I don't know why I listened to these people and was like, yeah, let me try some actual like peanut butter stuff. I don't even like peanut butter like that. Oh, this reminds me of like Thai food. You know when they give you like the peanut sauce? I hate peanut sauce. I get so angry. Like when they give the summer rolls and it's like the rice noodle and peanut sauce. That's what I'm about to take a small bite of. Yeah, I just don't like that. Woohoo, we got through the video. So this is my last weird food combination, and this one is going to be hot Cheetos, which I love, and some cream cheese. I don't think this one's gonna be bad at all because it just reminds me of like ranch and like wings or something like that, like, or like when you put sour cream on your tacos or something. All right, hot Cheetos. I haven't had these in a minute. Had to make sure it was perfect, you know, like good for a video. So I have my hot Cheeto. Yeah, like that's good. That's good. That's easy. That's really easy. Now this is my favorite one, for real. This video was a lot of fun and I am down to try more weird food combinations. So if you have any for me, leave them in the comments down below. Especially if it's something that you've been eating like since you were younger. Because I feel like those are like, they're more like real, like trustworthy, you know what I mean? Like it might taste good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun for me. I had fun doing this mukbang. I'm looking forward to doing a lot more for you guys. Hopefully you guys try some of these weird food combinations next time you have any of these ingredients together at home. Try them out, especially the ones that I said were good, because honestly they're really, really good. And if you've ever tried them before, or if you know this is your thing, let me know in the comments down below, because apparently these are pretty popular and people really do like these. So just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.